All right. Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm gonna try to do this video live. I am in a y'all recognize that dashboard? That's right, man. PT Cruiser. I'm in a PT Cruiser. Lady says it's overheat. Now the things I tried to get her to do to give me more information, she couldn't do, so I decided to drive it. And what I'm checking for is to see if the fan come on. Yes, the low speed fan came on, and even the high speed fan came on. That is a problem. When the high speed fan come on, you obviously overheating. Now, I am now here at Advanced Auto Parts. Good place to be if you think you're about to break down. Now, if your car overheating, man, go ahead and throw the heater on so you can help that coolant circulate. So, let me get out. I don't know if you can see where I can turn the camera so you can see the gauge, but I am hovering right over halfway mark. You should not go over half. Now, I'm going to leave the car running. So what I'm about to do is go out here and see for myself, basically the fan on. Like I say earlier, the high speed fan came on. You don't want the high speed fan to come on. So let's see. I'm trying to film and do this at the same time, live, okay? So bear with me. Now, the fan is off. Couple things you need to do. Grab this upper radiator hose, verify your coolant level. As you can see down there, I don't know if y'all can see or not, but she's down at the add mark, so she can use a little coolant. But what I wanted to find out was the fan on and the temperature of the upper and lower radiator hose. I can feel the upper hose. So let me get out here and see if I can feel. And what we're doing is verifying the temperature. Are they the same? Is one colder than the other one? This hose is cool, ladies and gentlemen. Not as near as warm as the bottom hose. Well, it's starting to warm up. So what does that tell me? That the thermostat just opened. Now, average thermostat on these cars, on any car for that matter, 195, open up in 195. Okay, so for the fan to come on, for the low speed fan to even come on, temperature has to be at 230 degrees. That's when this car fan is designed to come on. That's low speed. Now earlier I heard a high speed fan coming on, so that means it was higher. So my conclusion on this situation is simple, because I'm gonna base it off this upper radiator hose being cool for the most part of the drive. And like I said, it's even warmer now. So what that tells me is the thermostat just opened up. All right, thermostat should have opened up at 195 because the typical automobile design the thermostat to open around 195. Fan come on at 230. So if this hose just not getting warm, that means the thermostat has opened up and allowed coolant to come out. Now the vicious coolant cycle is starting to work properly. So I'm almost guessing, she said it overheats sometime. That to me, ladies and gentlemen, sounds like a sticking thermostat. So what I'm gonna do while I'm here at Advanced Auto is go inside and purchase a thermostat. Like I say, what a cool place to be when you're working on a car. This is a side job of mine. So a friend of mine that I work on, keep our car running. There you have it. I'm gonna end this diagnosis here, man. I was suspecting fan because she couldn't tell me if she heard the fan running. All right, that's number one problem they have with these PT Cruisers. The radiator fan not coming on. This fan came on. It just, later on, the hose started to get hot, which means, like I say, the coolant, thermostat finally opened and allowed the coolant to go back into the radiator. All right, so what I'm gonna do is replace the thermostat, get a radiator cap, new radiator cap, some new coolant, add some coolant in it, bleed it. Y'all know you have to bleed this car. Any car for that matter, you want all the air out of the system so the cooling system can work properly. And I'm gonna call that a wrap, all right? I'll probably film replacing the thermostat. That's a pretty easy job. You know, it bears a good viewing, so I'm gonna do it. Thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.